I today wanted to do a video on the review of my New Rock boots, which are right here. I got these boots a while ago, and I don't think I've ever seen anybody actually do a review on them. I think I've seen a lot of people buying them just like me. Like, I've made a video when I first bought them on those shoes, and then that was it, and we all moved on with our lives. But I want to do a review on my New Rock boots. It has been 6 years since I've gotten these. I believe I got these in March of 2018. I wanted to do a review on my boots because I wanted to tell you if they were worth it or not. I personally think they're worth it, just to give you like a hint of where this video is going. I'm going to try to do this video as fast as possible because it is very hot right now. My air conditioner is off just for the sake of sound, and it is scorching, and then I have this wig on, and then I have this hat on, and then I got these from eBay. I think they were about $245, I believe, or $250 plus shipping, which was like another 20 bucks. I've been wanting these shoes for a very long time. I think I've wanted these shoes before I actually finally got them for like 4 years, and I finally decided in like March of 2018, like, if you don't get them now, you're never going to get them. So I just went ahead and bought them. Probably at the time was my most expensive pair of shoes. They're no longer the most expensive pair of shoes, but they used to be, and honestly, I am really glad that I got them. So to give you a quick description of the shoes and how they first came, they are made out of an upper leather. I'm not sure if it's pure leather. I don't think it's pure leather. I think that if it was pure leather, these would be a lot more expensive. I think there's like a process as to where like companies will use like low grade leather, and I don't know what that means, so I'm not going to try to explain it, but I have an idea that they do have like levels of leather that like certain shoe companies do use, and I think this was made from low grade leather, which is still leather made, it's just lower grade. This also has zippers on each side, which makes it easier to put on because they don't have an opening anywhere else. I think the opening is just on the side where the zipper is. The platform, what I do love about these shoes is that the platform is around 2 inches, which is why I got them. I really was obsessed with these. I had a choice between buying these and then buying the Doc Marten Jadon boots, but I felt like buying the Doc Marten Jadon boots was, to me, like, I don't know, to me, like, I would have felt like it was worth it, but at the same time, I felt to myself that these were only $100 more, and I was just gonna like save up $100 more to get these, and I honestly do not regret getting these at all. And then they have like these kind of metal details on the front of the toe, on the back of the heel, the buckles, and this little emblem in the middle. I don't think they're made out of actual I think they might be made out of stainless steel, because these shoes have gotten wet multiple times, and the metal hardware on them has not deteriorated or has like wiped off, so I think they might be made out of stainless steel, which is what I really like. When I first got these did come with like a shoe polish, and I don't know if every New Rock boots came with that thing, that it was like a little vial of shoe polish, and I didn't keep it, which I don't regret, because when I got these shoes, I really wanted them to be worn out by like this time. Like, if you notice, these shoes have like a little bit of, or mine's at least, have a little bit of scuff on the toe, which is what I like a lot about it. Like, I really wanted these shoes to be a little scuffed up by the, like, it's been 6 years, so it's not really surprising that they are scuffed up, but I was hoping that they would get this way because I really wanted that like whole like wear and tear of them. Now, like I've said before, I've had these for a total of 6 years, and they have done me so much justice. And when I say I wear these boots a lot, like, these are one of my favorite pairs of shoes to wear. Like, I would say in a matter of a week, I probably wear these boots at least twice a week. I love them so much, and again, like I said, like I keep saying it, I keep reiterating it, but I have worn these for 6 years, and they have not fallen apart. I have heard rumors, however, that like not Dolls Kill, wow, wrong company, but I have heard rumors that New Rock, the company, has like possibly their quality has gone down. I am not sure of that because you know, I haven't bought a new pair of New Rocks since then. I do want a new pair of New Rocks, but I haven't bought them since, I haven't bought like a pair of New Rock boots since these ones, which was, I bought these in 2018. Do I regret buying these shoes? Not at all. I think these shoes are 100% worth it. I think the wear of these shoes lasts a very long time, at least mine did. That's the reason why I wanted to buy them in the first place. I think when I first started getting into New Rock boots, which was actually in 2012, I believe, I remember looking at so many reviews and seeing so many people say that they've had their New Rock boots for 10, 15 years, and I'm going on 6 years with mine, and I think they're going to last even another additional 5 to 6 years, and even longer than that possibly, hopefully. I like the wear of them. I will say that when I first got them, they were really heavy, but I think that you get used to them over time. Like, they're not as heavy as they were when I first got them. When I first got them, it felt like I was just walking around with like bricks attached to my feet, like 5-pound bricks attached to my feet. But then after a while, like, you're like, you can't even tell. Like, they feel like wearing sneakers, honestly. Would I buy these again? Absolutely. Actually, there is another pair of New Rock boots that I want, but like, I don't, like, there's a pair that I want, but they don't have this style. Like, I have to like go on a hunt for them on eBay or Depop or something, because they're these and they have this weird cool buckle on the side. Or I want the heels. Like, they have these heels that are just so sleek and so good that I really want those as well, but I don't, you know, I will look into buying those possibly in the future. Well, that has been my 6 for you review on my New Rock boots. Thank you guys for tuning in. Goodbye.